Imagine a place where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. A region where time slows down, space itself bends, and the laws of physics start to break. That's a black hole, one of the strangest and most powerful objects in the universe. Let's explain it, simply. What is a black hole? A black hole is formed when a massive star runs out of fuel and collapses under its own gravity. If the star is heavy enough, it keeps collapsing until all its mass is squeezed into an incredibly small point called a singularity. Surrounding that point is the event horizon, the invisible boundary. Once something crosses it, nothing can escape. Not a planet, not a spaceship, not even light. Black holes aren't cosmic vacuum cleaners sucking up everything. You could orbit a black hole safely, just like Earth orbits the Sun, as long as you don't cross the event horizon. What makes them unique is how they warp space and time. Near a black hole, time passes slower compared to far away. This is called time dilation, and it's been proven by Einstein's theory of relativity. Not all black holes are the same. Stellar black holes are a few times more massive than our Sun. Supermassive black holes sit at the center of galaxies, including our own Milky Way, with millions or billions of times the Sun's mass. And there may even be tiny primordial black holes formed in the early universe, though we've never detected one. Here's the mystery. Once something crosses the event horizon, we can't observe what happens. Our best theories say everything falls toward the singularity, where density becomes infinite and the known laws of physics break down. This is why black holes are both fascinating and frustrating. They reveal the limits of our understanding of reality. Black holes aren't just destructive monsters. They shape galaxies, power some of the brightest objects in the universe, and may even hold clues about the origins of space and time. Studying them pushes science forward, from Einstein's theories to modern-day research in quantum physics and gravity. So, black holes aren't just cosmic mysteries. They're cosmic laboratories. They bend light, stretch time, and challenge our deepest ideas about the universe. And while they may sound terrifying, explained simply, they remind us of how much more there is to discover out there. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe for more big ideas explained simply.